Did you know there's an AI tool that can instantly generate sound effects for your videos? AI video models are incredible, but there's one big problem: they don't come with sound. That's where M-Audio steps in. This powerful video to audio model analyzes your clips and creates sound effects perfectly matched to the action. Here's how to try it. Go to Replicate, select M-Audio, upload your clip, and in about 10 seconds, you'll have sound effects ready to go. Or, for free local use, download the Pinocchio browser, install M-Audio, and run it right from your computer. Just make sure you've got enough power to handle it. This is a game changer for creators. Try it out and let me know what you think.